Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate dip for fruit. First, select about 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Break it into small pieces. Gently melt the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave. If microwaving, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. This prevents burning and ensures a silky smooth texture for your delicious dip. To elevate your chocolate dip, consider adding a few key ingredients. Stir in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream for a wonderfully rich and smooth texture. A teaspoon of vanilla extract will deepen the chocolate's natural flavor, making it even more irresistible. Finally, a tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly balance the sweetness, bringing out the best in your chocolate. Achieving the perfect consistency is crucial for a great dipping experience. If your dip is too thick, gradually whisk in a tablespoon or 2 of warm heavy cream until it reaches your desired fluidity. Conversely, if it's too thin, melt a little more chocolate and stir it in. The ideal dip should coat fruit beautifully without being overly runny or clumpy. Once your chocolate dip is perfect, it's time to enjoy. Serve it immediately with an assortment of fresh fruits like strawberries, banana slices, or apple wedges. To keep it warm throughout your gathering, use a small fondue pot or a very low heat setting. Any leftover dip can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for another treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.